Good day, everyone. Welcome to my presentation today. Today, we're going to talk about ON Semiconductors RSL10 Bluetooth 5 radio ICs. My name is Ryan Harina, a field application engineer of Arrow Electronics, and I am taking care of ON Semiconductor product lines. So let's begin. So my presentation will be composed of 8 sections or modules, and I will talk about each of them in the following slides. The ones I will be focusing on more are sections 2, 3, and 4. So let's start off with module 1. It's a Bluetooth Low Energy background and technology. So what onsemi brings to Bluetooth Low Energy? First is their expertise, which is based on 20 plus years in developing DSP systems for hearing aids and wearable devices. Second is the advanced 3D packaging technologies. Other things are advanced low noise sensor interfacing and actuation, signal conversion and processing, and also the software development tools and kits with samples to enable rapid application development. Just a little bit of background on what is Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE. So BLE is an energy saving variant of the Bluetooth PAN or Personal Area Network standard. It comes with an ever growing set of profiles to ensure interoperability. It is synonymous with small size, long battery life, and ease of deployment. It is also known previously as Bluetooth Smart and operates in 2.4 GHz ISM band. So now moving on to module 2, which is RSL10 Bluetooth 5 radio SoC family overview. So what is RSL10 all about? It's the first Bluetooth 5 certified SoC. It can support multi-protocol, it is ultra low power, has flexible supply voltages from 1.1 volts to 3.6 volts, and it is very small at 5.5 square millimeters. It has different package types from QFN for consumer and medical applications, WLCSP for space critical applications, SIP for all-in-one solution, which is already certified, and automotive QFN with higher temperature range. And the RSL10 SIP or system and package will be perfect for rapid prototyping and also decrease the development time because it already includes the antenna and all the discrete components are already inside the package. And it is already pre-certified to regional standards like the Bluetooth SIG and other regulatory certifications. So if you don't have much RF design knowledge, this will be a suitable solution for you because it is a simple drop in your PCB type of solution. And for the automotive grade IC, it has a more reliable assembly, wearable flank plated QFN, which has stronger, more visible solder joints, eliminates the need for time consuming costly x-rays during inspection, high temperature range for non-engine applications like automotive grade 2 from -40 to 105 degrees Celsius, designed for the harsh operating conditions of vehicles. Now we're going to proceed to module 3, which are the key technical features and competitive product comparisons. So the most notable feature of the RSL10 are it is the lowest power consumption Bluetooth chip in the industry. It has advanced wireless technology which supports BLE, supports 2.4 gigahertz custom protocols and negative 94 dBm RX sensitivity and negative 17 to plus 6 dBm transmit power. It is very flexible and has a powerful radio with voltage supply range from 1.1 to 3.3 volts, user programmable dual core architecture, and can perform firmware over the air updates. Now this shows what's inside the RSL10. It is powered with the ARM Cortex M3 clock up to 48 MHz for real-time applications, specifically developed to enable high-performance, low-cost platforms for a broad range of low-power applications. Partnered with LPDSP32, a 32-bit dual hardware DSP core that efficiently supports intensive signal power applications. Various codecs are available to customers through libraries that are included in RSL10's development tools. Radio frequency front end is also inside based on a 2.4 gigahertz RF transceiver. The RFFE implements the physical layer of the Bluetooth Low Energy Technology standard and other proprietary custom protocols. Now, this is a simple benchmark score comparing the RSL10 to other suppliers. It shows that it receives the highest score more than two times compared to the second ranked product, which is Ampeak. It simply means that the any given clock frequency, RSL10 can do the same amount of processing as compared with the competition, but for less than half the power consumption. Now, this is a simple illustration of how onsemi's RSL10 stands out to the rest of the competition. The graph on the left shows peak transmit power on the y-axis and peak receive power on the x-axis. The smaller the bubble, the better. This shows that the RSL10 results in the longest battery life time in power-constrained applications. Now, moving on to Module 4, this is the software development kit and rapid and application development. The RSL10 software development kit enables rapid development of ultra-low power Bluetooth low energy applications by leveraging convenient abstraction, drivers, and sample applications from Blinky to complete BLE peripherals and everything in between. The key features: free Eclipse based on semiconductor, IDE plus support for Keel, microvision, and IAR embedded workbench, complete Bluetooth Low Energy Protocol stack, Bluetooth Low Energy Mesh networking with Android app, FOTA, firmware over the air with Android and iOS apps, free RTOS. Development hardware or EVKs are also available based on the specific application needs. The RSL10 decreases software development time. The SDK is updated quarterly. It is following ARM CMSIS standard for simple software update procedure using CMSIS pack for developing a modular, portable, and reusable application level software with CMSIS compliant drivers and free RTOS to generate and configure code using CMSIS configuration wizard. Also, many samples can be used out of the box, like to demonstrate low power modes and wireless connectivity. You can easily develop your own custom profile application from samples, BLE Explorer PC application, and USB dongle to add in development and testing of RSL10 based peripherals. Here is shown sample code and profiles for heart rate proximity, health thermometer, time, blood pressure, etc. It can also do Bluetooth mesh networking, enables many-to-many device communication with certain applications like building automation, wireless sensor networks, asset tracking, commercial lighting, smart home, and industrial IoT. Sample codes are also available, and there is also an Android mobile mesh app to provision, configure, and control. This simply shows the software stack up with CMSIS packs from the customer application, Bluetooth CMSIS packs, hardware abstraction layer down to the RSL10 hardware. Now, there are quite interesting EVKs available for you to play with, and I will discuss it one by one in the next slides, like the Solar Sense with RSL10, RSL10 sensor kit, temperature beacon, energy harvesting plus a BLE switch, Bluetooth 5 IoT development kit, and their standard IoT development kit. Now the SolarSense RSL10 plus solar cell plus sensors. So what is it? It's a solar powered solution featuring an environmental sensor, a 3-axis accelerometer, and the RSL10 SIP inside. Yes, as you can see in the picture, the components that are mounted on the EVK itself. Just take note that some of the sensors are from Bosch Sensor Tech, like the BME 280 and BMA 400. It has no batteries, which means there is no maintenance, and it has a lower cost, low EMC, and it advertises using a mobile app. Now, this is the RSL10 sensor kit, or the other name would be Hummingbird. It is ready to use, compact platform, over 10 sensors, and the RSL10 SIP. It is the industry's low power BLE sensor node, with a battery life of 1 plus year on a single coin cell. The coin cell is a CR2032. It supports multi-sensors like the three-axis accelerometer, gyro, light, magnetometer, temperature, humidity, pressure, and gas. It also has cloud connectivity via mobile app. You can use AWS, Azure, IBM, and through Android and iOS. The target applications are worker safety or industrial wearables, asset monitoring, elderly care, and smart home sensor nodes. Next will be the BLE temperature beacon. As compared to the previous EVK, this one only has a temperature sensor. But the good thing about it is that it can last for 6 years or more using just a single CR2032 coin cell battery. It follows Eddystone beacon format and design files are available in onsemi website. And this is the energy harvesting switch. So what is it? It has no batteries. It is a reference design board using a piezoelectric energy harvesting switch plus voltage rectification, energy storage, and output regulation. Theory of operation is that when you press the switch, it generates about 300 microjoules of energy. Using that amount of energy is enough to send the BLE advertising packets. Typical target applications to control smart lighting, window shutters, etc. So with this solution, you don't need to cut holes or for wiring, and you can carry the switch anywhere in your house or building. Design files available in onsemi website. Now, if you want to do more serious applications, onsemi has this Bluetooth IoT development kit or the BIDK. It features modular hardware comprised of a wide selection of sensors and actuators. The development software includes a CMSIS pack that contains sample code for several use cases and detailed documentation. In addition to controlling the hardware, the accompanying mobile app allows publishing and subscribing like MQTT of sensors and actuator data from several popular cloud services. The IoT development kit has garnered some of the award in the industry like IoT Evolution Product of the Year, IoT Evolution Magazine, and IoT Evolution World and Impact Award, Rapid Prototyping from ECN. And there is also the IoT development kit. It is a configurable node-to-cloud rapid prototyping platform built using onsemi's ultra-low power products for industrial IoT, smart building, smart home, wearables, asset monitoring, and other IoT applications. With a wide choice of connectivity, sensing, and control options, the IDK enables rapid development and deployment of IoT applications. The IDK includes ARM Mbed OS, Eclipse based IDE, cloud connectivity, and several application examples. These are other modular kit applications like for smart lighting, smart dispenser, and smart actuators that are used usually for smart buildings, Industry 4.0, and etc. There is also the USB dongle and USB Explorer PC application. It enables rapid prototype development and testing of peripherals, acts as a generic central device that emulates everything a central application can do, enables wireless interaction with prototypes while monitoring and logging behavior. And now, Module 5, let's talk about some of the RSL10 success stories. Now this is a energy harvesting light control. So it's a ultra low power wireless solution capable of operating without battery or wall power for lighting control. So if you can see on the right side is the block diagram and how the thing works. So the switch can be placed anywhere without battery or wall power, and it also eliminates need for hard wiring from switch to light in add-on application, reducing labor and hardware costs, and also allows for smartphone control. And this application is for hearables. The challenge is to develop a 2.4 gigahertz based hearable that enables audio streaming while maintaining multi-day battery life. And you can see in the block diagram on the right and how it was implemented, and it has benefited the customer by designing an on-chip DSP and audio I/O. And because of the small package, it enables in-ear cosmetically appealing hearables. Another application will be smart e-tags. It basically shows the price and product information where it can be changed centrally, which does not need to change manually. So it is applicable to anywhere that requires pricing information like shopping malls and supermarkets. And the RSL10 can replace the old infrared and 485 interface in power meters. This has been implemented in the China state grid. So onsemi assisted with the development of the emitter solution. Now moving on to module 6 or ordering information. So here is a list of the devices and also the EBKs. Now for the RSL10 devices, you can contact us because the pricing will depend on the estimated annual volume that will be ordered from us. So please do not hesitate to contact us. Now moving on to Module 7 or the SDK web download and third-party DSP tools ordering information. This slide just shows you how to get the RSL10 SDK from onsemi website. You can also use third-party tools like Synopsys for the LPDSP32. And now we're in Module 8 or the Application Partners, Awards, and Media Exposure. So if you want more information about the EPKs, you can refer to this page and click on the links on the right. If you want a copy of this slide, you can message me or you can contact any of the Arrow Electronics representatives. So one key partner that we have is Junaya Tech. They have this device, what they call Muse On 1.1. So Muse On features sensors from Bosch Sensor Tech for air quality, humidity, pressure, and temperature, together with a 3-axis gyroscope, accelerometer, and a magnetometer, and also a 6-axis inertial measurement unit. This allows for recognition of the wearer's activity together with indoor navigation and positioning. There is an ambient light sensor with a wide operating range and an omnidirectional stereo digital microphone. MuseOn has a dual RFID interface and is housed in an IP65 rated case. Arrow, Junaya Tech, and On Semiconductor designed the multi-device and its firmware. The RSL10 has garnered its reputation in the international arena. In December 13, 2019, onsemi has won awards in 2 categories in the 2019 China Internet of Things Innovation Awards organized by elecfans.com, plus further recognition at the 2019 IoT Innovation Awards organized by Electronic Engineering in Product World, the Bluetooth IoT Development Kit BIDK1 in the IoT Development Kit Tools Cloud Platform category, and the RSL10 Development Kit was successful in the Sensor Technology category. Meanwhile, at the EEPW 2019 IoT Innovation Awards, the RSL10 Solar Cell Multi-Sensor Platform won in the Low Power Sensor category. While in IoT World in Santa Clara, California, on 8th May 2019, onsemi was able to demonstrate its diverse portfolio of low power and entry-level battery-free platforms for building automation, smart homes, consumer, and industrial IoT. While in Phoenix, Arizona, on the 10th of April 2019, onsemi continues to enable battery-less and maintenance-free IoT with the introduction of the RSL10 multi-sensor platform powered solely with a solar cell. While in Shenzhen, China, April 10th, 2019, onsemi announced that its energy harvesting Bluetooth Low Energy switch has been named 2018 China's most competitive Internet of Things solution from China Electronic Market Magazine 2018 Editor's Choice Award for enabling new levels of ultra-low power operation in IoT applications. So while in Nuremberg, Germany, 13th February 2019, onsemi announced the introduction of the RSL10 sensor development kit. So aside from that, there are also other awards from like in 2019, winner of the Electrons, the OR Award, the RSL10 based energy harvesting BLE switch. Also in Consumer Experience Asia Summit 2019, most competitive IoT solution. Leap Awards in last 2019, also in 2019, silver in connectivity category, RSL10 solar cell multi-sensor platforms, and also in 2019 IoT Global Awards, connected consumer and smart home with the RSL10 solar cell multi-sensor platform. So if you want more information of the RSL10, please do call us. I have here in this slide the phone number of our office and also the email that you can send email to, and also you can visit us at arrow.com. So thank you very much for listening. If you like the presentation, please click like, and if you would like to know more or have more videos in the future, you can click subscribe. And thank you very much and have a wonderful day.